Hello people, so this is your boy Nick Asa. Like I told you in my previous video that we will be sailing towards Burkina Faso for our installation trip. The day has just begun like that, so we are moving to Burkina Faso today to our client. I'm really happy because this is my first time actually living in Ghana. Um, Even though our trip to Burkina Faso has been so stressful today, but it's all good, and I'm gonna be keeping you guys updates on the stuff that we're gonna be doing in Burkina Faso. So stay tuned. Yeah, hello guys. This is Van. We this is I don't even know what to say. Well, our trip to Burkina Faso has just begun like that. So today it has actually been stressful from the beginning. But there were stuff that we didn't know about. We were supposed to get them ready, and because we didn't know about them, we had to, it became impromptu. So we have to, be quick on them, and then it's we went through a lot of stress. Uh, Van, how do you feel? How do you feel? First time visiting Burkina Faso.
Okay.
All right, all right.
Nothing much to say. Let's get there. We can see it.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Of course, of course. All right, all right. So enjoy your trip.
Yeah, so we just arrived in Burkina Faso, so we picked the taxi to our hotel. This trip has been so stressful. This trip has really been stressful, but it's good. God bless Richard. Richard, we really appreciate. He has already paid for a hotel, and yeah. So this is my room. I'm going to Van's room. Van? Why you look? So this is Van's room. This is Van's room. There is no charging port. We make hot. There is no charging port. My phone is running down. Van, how was the trip? How was the trip?
Stressful.
Is that what you can say?
Very stressful.
So do you like this hotel? Do you like this place?
This place.
And how do you see Burkina Faso?
Burkina Faso. So far, Burkina Faso itself is quite okay. Quite okay.
Yeah, this place is good.
Yeah.
This place is good. And my problem is the heat. There's heat here.
So much.
Yeah.
So
But we are gonna have to adjust, Yeah.
we are open.
We are coping. We have to cope. Yeah. So Richard has been so good at he has paid for a hotel and for 2 rooms for us. That's really good. We got to the bus terminal and Burkina is another level, So stressful. This trip has been really stressful. Are you going to bath or you're already done bathing?
I don't even know if I'll be bathing.
Why?
Because I'm stressed.
Yeah, but you should bath and release some of the stress.
Yeah. I'll be pouring some water on my body too.
So where are you going?
No way anywhere.
So there's no charging port. The phone is about to go, guys. I'll see you. Hello, guys. So finally, Richard has come to pick us from the hotel. Van is at the back, enjoying the. Richard, you like Speedo? So Burkina Faso is a good place. It's a cool place, So see the environment. Okay, are you feeling it? It's really cool here. Yeah. I like the feeling.
over there.
Welcome to Burkina Faso.
So. Are you speaking French over there?
Yeah, I'm trying to.
So what's up, guys? So we have started the installation like that. Yeah. Our record, it's happening live. In Ouagadougou, Capella, Van is over there. He's busy, you know. We are fixing the machines. I'll keep you posted on every step of the way. So we have just started the installation like that. So you can see we are feeding each bombola with its required mineral. So the first bombola, we are filling it with the sand. Looks like some tiny gravel. The second bombola here, Van is trying to check if there is power. We actually want the electrician to give us power, then we carry on. The second bombola will contain the activated charcoal, and the last bombola will just take the resin. So here you can see I am filling in the activated charcoal into the middle bombola. Yes, the first one is containing the sand that looks like a tiny gravel, and the last one contains the resin. Yeah, so we have just started the installation like that, and after that we do our pipeline connections, and we connect it to the coil machines, and we connect power to it, and boom, we start work.